My name is Kinjal Bhavsar, lecturer in AC department from VPMP Polytechnic College. Subject name microcontroller, then unit name introduction of microcontrollers, then topic name is evolution of microcontroller. Evolution, that means ki history of microcontroller. These are the objectives. First, types of microcontroller, then evolution of microcontroller, then block diagram of microcontroller. First, types of microcontroller. The types of microcontroller according to different categories. First, bits according to bits, according to memory or device, according to family, according to instruction set, and according to memory architecture. Then according to bits, microcontroller types: 4-bit microcontroller, 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit microcontroller, and 32-bit microcontroller. Then according to memory or device, two types: embedded microcontroller and external microcontroller. Then according to instruction set, again two types: CISC and RISC. CISC, that means ki complex instruction set computer, and RISC, that means ki reduced instruction set computer. Then according to memory architecture, again two types. First one is a von Neumann architecture and Harvard architecture. That means in von Neumann architecture, common memory for program and data. In Harvard architecture, separate memory for program and data. Then last, types of microcontroller according to family. Then first one is 8051 family. Then in 8051 family, different companies manufacture 8051 microcontroller. Then like Intel, Atmel, Dallas, Philips, Siemens, etc. Then according to family, different companies like Motorola, PEAK, Texas, National Instrument, ARM, then others company manufacture different types of family of microcontroller. Then according to family, microcontroller parts is first 801 family. In 801 family, 89S52, 89S51, 89C52, 89C51, 89V51. This is the types of microcontroller available in 8051 family. Then in AVR family, Atmega 16, Atmega 8, Atmega 32, etc. Then in PEAK microcontroller family, PEAK 10F access, PEAK 12F access, and PEAK 16F access, etc. Then next, this is the history of 8051 microcontroller family. First microcontroller is 8031 microcontroller. Then this microcontroller is ROM-less microcontroller. Then it's contain 128 byte RAM, and it contain 2 timers and 32 input-output pin. Then next 8032 microcontroller, again ROM-less microcontroller, but it contain 256 bytes of RAM, 3 timer and 32 input-output pins. Then in 8051 microcontroller, it contains 4 kilobyte of ROM, 128 byte RAM, 2 timer and 32 input-output pins. In this semester, you study detail about 8051 microcontroller. Then 8052 microcontroller contain 8 kilobyte of ROM, 256 byte of RAM, then 3 timer and 32 input-output device. Then in 8751 microcontroller, 4 kilobyte of EEPROM. EEPROM, that means ki erasable programmable read-only memory. Then 128 byte RAM, 2 timer and 32 input-output device. Then in 8752 microcontroller, 8 kilobyte of EEPROM, 256 byte of RAM, 3 timer and 32 input-output device. That in 89C51, 4 kilobyte of flash memory, then 128 byte of RAM, 2 timer and 32 input-output device. Then in 89C52, 8 kilobyte flash, 256 byte of RAM, then 3 timers and 32 input output device. Then in 89C1051, this chip is 20 pin IC, then 1 kilobyte of flash memory, 64 byte of RAM, 1 timer and 15 input output pins. Then in 89C2051, 20 pin IC, 2 kilobyte flash RAM, then 128 byte RAM and 2 timer and 15 input output pins. These are the history of 8051 microcontroller family. Then next, block diagram of microcontroller. So in block diagram of microcontroller, normally microcontroller contains microprocessor plus plus internal RAM, internal ROM, ADC, timer counter and parallel or serial input output port. That means कि in this diagram, this block is same as microprocessor block. That means कि in this block contain ALU that means arithmetic and logical unit, then accumulator, general purpose working register, stack pointer, program counter, interrupt and timing and control unit. First, what is the function of ALU? Function of ALU is to perform arithmetic and logical operation. Then function of accumulator to store the default result of arithmetic and logical operation. Then general purpose working register is used the temporary storage of address and data. Then stack pointer is used for to store the address of top of stack. Then function of program counter is to store the location of next instruction. Then interrupt and timing and control 60 unit. Timing and function of timing and control unit is to synchronize the all blocks and to generate the control signal. That means this is this block diagram of microprocessor. Okay, then it also contain internal RAM. Then what is the function of internal RAM? Function of internal RAM is to store temporary data and program. Then the next is internal ROM. Then what is the function of internal ROM? Function of internal ROM is to store data permanently. Then function of next block is ADC. ADC that means ki analog to digital converter. Then analog to digital converter, this block is used to convert the analog signal into digital signal. Then timer and counter. This block is used for to generate the delay of system and to generate the counter. Otherwise, manage the counting. Then last block is parallel or serial input output block. This parallel serial input output port is used for interface with external world, otherwise real world. This is the block diagram, basic microcontroller. Then this is the parts of microcontroller diagram. First is ALU, timing and control unit, accumulator, general purpose working registers, stack pointer, program counter, interrupt, internal RAM, internal ROM, EEPROM, double EEPROM, flash, parallel or serial input output ports, etc. This is the parts of microcontroller block diagram according to this block diagram.